The world of electric cycling is evolving at an incredible pace, and dual motor e-bikes are at the forefront, offering unparalleled power, traction, and versatility. Whether you're tackling challenging off-road trails, commuting through urban landscapes, or simply seeking an exhilarating ride, these machines are engineered to deliver. We've scoured the market to bring you a curated list of the most innovative and high-performing models set to dominate the scene next year. Get ready to discover the cutting-edge technology, robust designs, and impressive capabilities that make these dual motor beasts stand out from the crowd. Let's dive in and explore the future of electric biking. Kicking off our list is the Eahora Romeo Pro II, a true powerhouse designed for the adventurous rider. This 2025 model boasts a formidable dual 2,000-watt motor system, delivering a combined peak power of 4,000 watts and an impressive 240 Newton-meters of torque. Such immense power translates to a top speed of 41 to 46 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its class. Equipped with a massive 52-volt 70-ampere-hour battery, riders can expect an exceptional range of 104 to 200 miles with pedal assist. Its robust build includes 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, adjustable air suspension with 100mm travel, and 2-piston hydraulic brakes for superior control. The IPX6 waterproof rating and a color LCD with Bluetooth connectivity further enhance its appeal, making the Romeo Pro II a top contender for any terrain. Next up, we have the Tesway X9 AWD, an ultimate off-road beast engineered to conquer any environment. This model features a potent dual 2,000-watt motor setup, reaching a peak of 4,000 watts, and an astounding 240 Newton-meters of torque. This all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction, making it ideal for sand, snow, and steep trails. Powering this formidable machine is a 48-volt 30-ampere-hour Samsung cell battery, offering a substantial range of 60 to 120 miles on a single charge. With a top speed of 38 miles per hour, the Tesway X9 AWD ensures thrilling performance. Its full suspension system and 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires absorb shocks effortlessly, providing a smooth and stable ride across challenging landscapes. A 3-amp quick charger ensures minimal downtime, keeping you on the trails longer. The ANIIOKI 9 Pro Max redefines extreme performance with its colossal power output. This dual-motor e-bike features two 2,500-watt motors, culminating in an astonishing 6,000-watt peak power and a staggering 250 Newton-meters of torque. This translates to a blistering top speed of 45 to 46 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest production e-bikes available. Its massive 60-volt 70-ampere-hour battery provides an incredible range of up to 200 miles, ensuring epic adventures without range anxiety. The A9 Pro Max sports a distinctive dirt bike-style frame and is equipped with the widest fat tires in its class, 26-inch by 4.8-inch, offering unparalleled grip and stability. Coupled with a full suspension system, this e-bike is built to dominate the most rugged terrains, delivering an exhilarating and confident ride. For those seeking a blend of power and practicality, the DUOTTS N26 stands out. This dual-motor e-bike is equipped with two 750-watt motors, providing a combined 1,500 watts of continuous power. It reaches a top speed of approximately 34 miles per hour and offers a respectable range of 100 to 120 kilometers in assist mode, thanks to its 48-volt 20-ampere-hour Samsung cell battery. The DUOTTS N26 features durable 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, making it capable of handling various surfaces from city streets to light trails. A Shimano 7-speed gear system enhances its versatility, allowing riders to adapt to different inclines and speeds. Built with a robust aluminum alloy frame and available in stylish white or black options, the N26 offers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience for diverse applications. The Meelod DK200 offers an attractive entry point into the dual-motor e-bike market, combining retro moped styling with modern performance. While specific dual motor details can vary by submodel, it typically features dual 750-watt motors, delivering a combined 1,500 watts of power. This setup allows for a comfortable top speed of 28 to 30 miles per hour. Depending on the battery configuration, riders can expect a range of 35 to 50 miles, making it suitable for daily commutes and leisurely rides. Key features include a convenient thumb throttle, responsive hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and a front suspension system to smooth out bumps. Its budget-friendly nature, coupled with its distinctive aesthetic and practical features, makes the Meelod DK200 a compelling choice for urban explorers and casual riders alike.
Next,
designed for the rugged outdoors, the HiKNiGHT H6 Pro is a formidable dual-motor e-bike built for hunting and off-road adventures. It features two 1,000-watt motors, delivering an impressive 3,000 watts of peak power, enabling it to tackle challenging terrains with ease. A high-capacity 52-volt 20-ampere-hour Samsung cell battery provides a substantial range of 65 to 90 miles, ensuring extended excursions. The H6 Pro can reach a top speed of 38 miles per hour, offering exhilarating performance on trails. Its robust construction includes 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires and a full suspension system, providing excellent traction and shock absorption. Hydraulic brakes ensure reliable stopping power in demanding conditions. With its focus on durability and performance, the HiKNiGHT H6 Pro is an ideal companion for serious off-road enthusiasts. The Wildeway Wander is an all-terrain fat e-bike that promises to conquer any path with its powerful dual motor system. It's equipped with two 1,300-watt motors, delivering a combined 2,600 watts of power, ensuring robust performance across diverse landscapes. Powering this beast is a substantial 48-volt 30-ampere-hour battery, which translates to an impressive long range, making it suitable for extended adventures. While the exact top speed isn't always explicitly stated, its power output suggests it's capable of speeds well over 35 miles per hour. The Wildeway Wander features 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires and a full suspension system, providing exceptional comfort and control on uneven surfaces. This e-bike is celebrated for its cost-effectiveness, offering a powerful and feature-rich package without breaking the bank, making it a popular choice for adventurers. The Andsky Apex 50 is a versatile and powerful dual-motor e-bike, boasting an upgraded AWD system that delivers a peak power of 3,000 watts from its dual 1,000-watt motors. This setup generates a significant 190 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring excellent climbing capabilities and rapid acceleration. Riders can choose between 48 volts or 52 volts, 25 ampere-hour battery options, providing a substantial range of 60 to 100 miles. The Apex 50 reaches a top speed of 35 miles per hour, offering a thrilling ride. Its full suspension system, featuring a dual shoulder fork, enhances comfort and control over rough terrain. Unique to this model are its selectable AWD, RWD, and FWD modes, allowing riders to optimize traction for different conditions. With its robust 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, the Andsky Apex 50 is ready for any adventure.
next,
The Fucare Gemini X Sport stands out with its distinctive design and impressive dual-motor performance. It features two 750-watt motors, delivering a peak power of 2,400 watts and a robust 160 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring dynamic acceleration and hill climbing prowess. This e-bike is powered by dual 48-volt 15-ampere-hour batteries, totaling 30 ampere-hours with Samsung cells, providing a versatile range of 50 to 120 miles. The Gemini X Sport achieves a top speed of 35 miles per hour. Its unique Golden Bridge lattice frame is not only aesthetically striking, but also engineered for durability, having undergone extensive vibration tests. Equipped with 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, a dual crown front fork, and hydraulic brakes, this e-bike offers a stable and controlled ride, blending style with serious capability for urban and light off-road use. Rounding out our top 10 is the PHILODO H8 dual motor fat tire e-bike, a robust and feature-packed option for diverse riders. It's powered by dual 1,000-watt motors, capable of reaching a peak of 1,500 watts each, providing ample power for various terrains. The 48-volt 26-ampere-hour battery offers a practical range of 60 to 100 kilometers, approximately 37 to 62 miles, and a top speed of 56 kilometers per hour, around 35 miles per hour. The PHILODO H8 is equipped with large 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, ensuring stability and grip. A notable feature is its Shimano 21-speed gear system, which is relatively rare for dual-motor e-bikes, and significantly enhances its adaptability to different riding conditions. With front suspension and a clear color display, the H8 provides a comfortable and informative riding experience. And there you have it, our comprehensive look at the top 10 best dual-motor electric bikes for 2026. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in comment, and hit like, subscribe for more content like this.